Welcome to Canva Mastery. By the end of this class, you'll create designs that look professional even with zero experience. Canva is built for people like you and me. It's intuitive, beginner-friendly, and fun once you get the hang of it. We'll cover everything from understanding the interface, navigating templates, and customizing designs. Then we'll dive into creating social media posts that stop the scroll, YouTube thumbnails that get clicks, eye-catching logos, and professional resumes that help you stand out in the job market. Whether you're a student, small business owner, content creator, or someone starting a freelance side hustle, Canva is your most powerful tool. You don't need expensive software like Adobe Photoshop. Canva's free version is robust and works right in your browser. No downloads or complicated installations. By the end of this class, you'll have skills to create professional visuals for personal use or sell design services as a freelancer. People are making real money on Fiverr and Upwork offering Canva services. So go to your laptop and let's get started. Head to canva.com and click sign up. Use your Google account, Facebook, or email. I recommend Google for easy login. Canva might ask what you'll use it for. Answer honestly to personalize your experience. Once signed up, you'll reach your dashboard, and at the top is a search bar. Type anything like Instagram post or flyer, and Canva shows your templates instantly. On the left, you'll see home, templates, projects, and brand. Projects store all your designs automatically. Now let's create your first design. Click the search bar and type Instagram post. You'll see beautiful templates pop up. Click any template, and here we're just exploring. Canva opens the design editor where you'll spend most of your time. On the left are tools like templates, elements, text, and uploads. The center is your canvas, and don't worry if it feels overwhelming. We'll go through everything step by step. For now, click around, explore elements, play with text, and get curious. The more you explore, the more comfortable you'll become. See you in the next lesson. Canva is one of those tools that you learn by doing, so don't be afraid to experiment. You can't break anything, and every design you create is saved automatically. All right, I'll see you in the next lesson where we start designing for real. Then let's go. Welcome back. Now that you've signed up and explored the Canva dashboard, it's time to get hands-on with the actual design tools. This is where things get really exciting. Once you're logged in and you open up a design, Canva's interface may look simple at first glance, but trust me, it's incredibly powerful. The beauty of Canva is that it hides all the complexity behind a clean, intuitive layout. You don't need to know anything about layers, vectors, or pixels. You just need to know where to click. So let's take a quick tour of the interface so you know exactly what you're working with every time you open a design. The left sidebar, your design toolkit. First, look at the left sidebar of your screen. This is your design toolkit, and it's where you'll spend most of your time. Let me walk you through each option. We have templates. This is your starting point. Click here and you'll see thousands of professionally designed templates for whatever you're creating. You can filter by style, theme, or color. If you're ever stuck or need inspiration, this is where you go. Elements, this is like your design and toy box. Here you'll find graphics, shapes, lines, stickers, icons, photos, and illustrations. You can search for anything: arrow, heart, confetti. Some are free and some are marked with a crown icon, which means they are part of Canva Pro. Then uploads. This is where you upload your own images, logos, or videos. Anything you upload here gets saved in your account. so you can reuse it in future designs. Then you have text. Click here to add text to your design. Canva gives you pre-made text combinations with beautiful fonts and layouts, or you can add a simple text box and customize it yourself. Then you have brand. If you have Canva Pro, this is where you save your brand colors, fonts, and logos, so everything you create stays consistent. It's a game changer for businesses. And if you scroll down, you'll see even more tools like audio, videos, and charts. But for now, we are focusing on the essentials. Now let's talk about the toolbar at the top of your screen. This is your customization hub where you adjust fonts, colors, spacings, and effects. Once you've selected an element on your canvas, let me show you how it works. Go ahead and click on any text box in your design. Notice how the toolbar at the top lights up with options. You'll see font drop down. This lets you change the typeface. Canva has hundreds of fonts to choose from. Font size, make your text bigger or smaller with a click. Then we have bold, italic, underline, basic text formatting, just like in Word or Google Docs. Then alignment, left, center, or right, align your text. Then spacing, adjust the space between letters and lines. This is super useful for making text look more polished. Effects, add shadows, outlines, glows, and more to make your text pop out. The key thing to understand is that this toolbar changes based on what you've selected. If you click on an image, you'll see options for filters, cropping, and transparency. If you click on a shape, you'll see color and border options. Canva adapts to what you're working on, which makes it super intuitive. All right, enough theory. Let's actually create something together. I want you to open new Instagram post design by clicking Create a Design in the top right corner and type Instagram post, or by searching for it in the search bar. Once you're in, you'll see a blank Canva, or you can choose a template. Let's go with a template to make this easier. Scroll through the options and pick one you like, maybe something colorful, minimal, or bold. Just trust your gut. Now click on the template to open it in the editor. And here's where the fun begins. First, let's replace the text by clicking on any text box in the template and simply start typing. Change it to something personal like, "Hello, my name is Ruth Gitau," or "my first Canva design." And don't overthink it, we are just practicing. Next, let's experiment with colors by clicking on a background element or shape in your design. Then look at the toolbar at the top and click on the color box. Pick a color that feels right to you and maybe try a few different ones to see how easy that was. Now try changing a font by clicking on your text, going to the font drop down. Next, the magic of drag and drop. Here's what I want you to notice. Everything in Canva is drag and drop. You're not coding, you're not dealing with complicated menus, you're literally just clicking, dragging, and dropping. You can build professional looking designs in seconds. And here's the best part, you can really mess anything up. If you don't like something, just hit undo at the top left or click delete on your keyboard. Canva autosaves your work every few seconds, so you'll never lose your progress. So take a few minutes right now to play around, change colors, swap fonts, move elements around, and just get comfortable with the interface. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll become. In the next lesson, we are going to go deeper into designing social media posts that actually stop the scroll and get engagement. For now, just have fun and explore. I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome back. Now that you're comfortable with Canva's tools, let's dive into designing social media posts. Whether you're building a personal brand, running a business, or managing clients' social media, creating eye-catching graphics is a game changer. We are creating an Instagram post from scratch today. First, click Create a Design and type Instagram post. You'll see thousands of templates, then choose one that fits your niche, either travel, fitness, food, or business, then filter by color or style if needed. Pick something that speaks to you and click to open it in the editor. Now let's make it yours by replacing the images. You have two options. Upload your own photos by clicking Uploads, then Upload Files, or use Canva's free stock photos by clicking Elements, then Photos. Search for anything like coffee, sunset, or laptop, and you'll find thousands of high-quality options. Click and drag your photo onto the template image to replace it automatically. Choose images that are high quality, visually appealing, and relevant to your message. Now let's work on the text. This is where your message comes to life. Click text box and type your message. A quote, tip, or call to action. Keep it simple. Social media moves fast, and your text should be easy to read at a glance. Use one strong message, not a paragraph. Apply your brand colors by clicking text or background, elements, and choosing colors from the toolbar. Use 2 fonts at most, one for headlines, one for supporting text. Try Montserrat for modern vibes, Playfair Display for elegance, or Roboto for clean professionalism. Canva can suggest font pairings that work well together. Now here's your goal. Stop the scroll. Think about how you use social media. You're scrolling until something catches your eye, with bold colors, intriguing images, or powerful messages. Ask yourself, does this stand out? Is the message clear? Would I stop scrolling for this? If yes, you're on track. If not, tweak it a bit. Adjust colors, swap images, or simplify text. Once happy, click share, then download, and set file type to PNG for best quality. Create at least 2 more posts using different templates to practice. Experiment with colors, fonts, and layouts to find your style. In the next lesson, we are going to take things up a notch and design YouTube thumbnails that get clicks. But for now, keep creating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with it. I'll see you in the next lesson. Welcome back. In this lesson, we are designing YouTube thumbnails, which is one of the most critical skills for content creators. Thumbnails can make or break your video's success. A great thumbnail grabs attention and sparks curiosity in a split of a second. Let's create one now. Click Create a Design and type YouTube thumbnail. Canva sets the correct size automatically. That's 1280 by 720 pixels. Start by uploading a clear, high-quality photo of yourself or your subject, showing emotion, surprised, excited, or curious. Then drag your image onto the canvas. If you have Canva Pro, use the background remover tool by clicking Edit Photo, then Background Remover. This makes your subject pop and looks professional. Next, add bold text. Click Text and choose a heading style. Type a short, punchy hook like, "I made $5,000 in 1 month," instead of "how to make money online." Keep text under 5 words for clarity. Make sure your font is bold and readable, even on small screens. Simplicity wins over clutter every time. Now increase contrast. Change your text color to pop. White or dark or bold yellow on bright background works great. Add a text outline using effects. You can make it stand out more. Go to elements and search for arrows, circles, or highlights. Add a bright arrow pointing to your face or a ring around key elements. These touches make thumbnails polished and professional. Zoom out and ask, does this grab attention? Is the text readable? If yes, click download and save as PNG. Great thumbnails get clicks. In the next lesson, we will design stunning logos with Canva. See you in a bit. Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to create your first logo in Canva. Whether you are building a personal brand or starting a business or just need a logo for your social media, Canva makes it incredibly easy. Let's get started. Click Create a Design and type Logo in the search bar. Canva will show you thousands of logo templates in different styles. Browse through and look for something that fits your brand identity. Are you going for minimalist and clean, modern and bold, elegant and sophisticated? Once you find a template you like, click on it to open the editor. Now let's customize it with your name or business name. Click on the text and replace it with your own. Experiment with different fonts. Try serif fonts or a classic look, or sans serif for something modern. Next, play with color combinations. Click on any element and change the colors to match your brand. Remember, logos need to be simple and scalable. They should look good, whether they are on a business card or a billboard. Once you're happy with your designs, it's time to export it professionally. Click Share, then Download. Here's the key. Change the file type to PNG and make sure to check the box that says Transparent Background. This removes the white background and makes your logo look clean and professional on any surface. Websites, social media, business cards, you name it. This transparent background is what separates amateur logos from professional ones. Download it and you're done. You've just created your first logo in Canva. Let's look at how to create resumes. Did you know you can design a standout resume in Canva? That's right. No more boring, generic word templates. Canva lets you create resumes that actually get noticed by employers. Let's create one together. Click Create a Design and search for Resume. You'll see hundreds of templates ranging from minimal and corporate to creative and colorful. Pick a clean, professional layout that matches your industry. If you're applying for traditional jobs like finance or law, go minimal. For creative fields, you can be bolder. Now let's customize it. Click on the placeholder text and replace it with your real information. Your name, contact details, work experience, education, and skills. Add icons for your email, phone number, and LinkedIn by going to Elements and searching for contact icons. These small touches make your resume look polished and modern. Then adjust the colors to match your personal brand. Keep it professional, but don't be afraid to add a subtle pop of color. Make sure your font is readable and consistent throughout. Use bold for section, headers, and regular weight for body text. Here's a golden rule. Keep your resume to one page and focus on readability. Employers spend just a few seconds scanning resumes, so make yours easy to read at a glance. Use bullet points, white space, and clear section headings. Once you're done editing, it's time to download. Click Share, then Download, and change the file type to PDF. PDF is the standard format for resumes because it preserves your formatting no matter what device or computer that opens it. Now you have a professional, eye-catching resume ready to email or print. Congratulations! Welcome to this next lesson. Now that you've created multiple projects in Canva, it's time to learn how to export and share them properly. This is a crucial step because choosing the wrong file format can affect your design quality. Let's start with the basics. When you're ready to download your design, click the Share button in the top right corner. You'll see several download options: PNG, JPEG, PDF, and more. Here's when to use each. PNG for social media posts, logos, and anything needing transparency. JPEG for photos and images where file size matters. PDF is perfect for resumes, presentations, and documents you'll print or email. Canva also lets you do more than just download. You can schedule posts directly to social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter without leaving Canva. Just click Share, then Schedule, and connect your accounts. You can also invite collaborators to view or edit your designs, which is perfect if you're working with a team or client. Click Share, then invite people and enter their email. You can give them editing access or viewing only access, depending on your needs. And here is a bonus tip. If you plan to use Canva for freelance work or managing multiple clients, stay organized by creating folders for each client. Click Projects on the left sidebar, then create folder and name it after your client. Store all the designs there. Also use the brand kit feature available in Canva Pro to save each client's colors, fonts, and logos. This keeps everything consistent and saves you tons of time. Professional organization equals professional results. Now on the last lesson, this is freelancing with Canva. Once you master these Canva skills, you can start earning real money as a Canva designer. This is not just a hobby, it's a legitimate business opportunity. Freelance on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are charging anywhere from $20 to $200 per project for social media designs, logos, and YouTube thumbnails. Some designers are making thousands of dollars per month just creating Canva graphics. You don't need years of experience, just the skills you've learned in this class and the confidence to start pitching yourself. You can also sell Canva templates on marketplaces like Etsy, create reusable templates for Instagram posts, resumes, logos, or planners, and sell them for $5 to $50 each. Once you create a template, it can generate passive income over and over again. Another option is offering design packages to local businesses, restaurants, salons, real estate agents who need consistent social media content. Start by creating sample work, then reach out and offer your services. Most small businesses are willing to pay $300 to $500 per month for social media management. So if you're ready to take it further, I highly recommend hosting your portfolio on your own website. This makes you look incredibly professional and helps you stand out from the competition. I personally use Hostinger. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and perfect for creatives. The Hostinger link in the description will get you a discount on your first plan. Now it's time for your class project. Create one Instagram post, one YouTube thumbnail, and one logo using everything you've learned. Share your designs, practice consistently, and remember, you now have a valuable skill that can change your life. Congratulations!